Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Dawn, I am the Reclusive Crafter. Today I wanted to start by showcasing a small piece of my work. This is a miniature little journal. It's based on butterflies, as you can see. I still have a couple of little bits and pieces to do, but hopefully it will give you some of the newer journalers out there some ideas of what can be achieved at quite a low level, really. These are just little basic ideas in here, which should make it relatively easy. So the first thing I will point out is I didn't do the traditional sewing signature. I saw a video, forgive me, I can't remember the name of the lady, but she used brads, and whilst it's quite effective for a smaller journal like this, I don't think it would work really for the bigger journals particularly well. I did find it incredibly fiddly, and to be perfectly honest, I'm not quite sure that I'd do it again. But it is an option. It does look very neat actually, which is rather nice. Although when we get to the centre, I'll show you one of the little pitfalls with it as well. So to start with, all the pages in here have all been printed, well, designed and printed by me. The ephemera and little tags and things I've pulled from other pieces of the network, which can all be found as free printables. So to start with, the inside pocket, there's a little napkin there that I put on there as well, just to give it a little bit more extra design, and some few little bits of journaling ephemera there. And then I also pulled some little bits and pieces from books as well. I came across a book which had designs right up the side of the page, which I thought lent itself very nicely to doing little side tucks. And then those are journals, or journal cards I should say. A little tuck there with a tag. The little pink piece or page is actually a envelope which I've done, and I've glued it down so that it produces two pockets. So you've got one main pocket there, which is the envelope itself, and then I added a little pocket on the side which actually gives you the second pocket there, which I've yet to find something to pop in that, but I will do so. And then on this tag as well, there's a little second pocket there, which lends itself to a smaller little tag there as well. And I'm very lucky in that my father-in-law was an accountant, so he had lots of little ledger books lying around, which I've dug out, and I've utilised some of those as well. And I did a little bit of stenciling on the blank page there just to take the blankness away. A little pocket here. We are our thoughts. We cannot change anything if we cannot change our thinking. And that's very true. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, and lots of different things have put me off. I saw a video from Silver and Solo, and she said basically that the gist of the message that she was giving, if you don't start, you never will. So there's a card there as well. This little bag here, it was a little sweetie bag. I bought loads for a party I did for my grandchildren, and these were just left over. So I thought I'd utilise them, and they're just the right size for a nice little journal like this, with a little card there. And again, the little picture there was something I pulled. Actually, I didn't pull that off the internet. Actually, I designed that myself. I did a journal for my granddaughter. And she's very into insects and butterflies and things, and I did that using the AI, and then printed it out. And then there's this one here, and these little butterflies I did print from the internet. There was a couple of pages of butterflies which again lent itself very nicely to this particular journal. Another little tag there for plenty of journaling. There's lots and lots of spaces for journaling in this. This is a rather sweet little triple pocket. So we've got a journal card in the front there. And then there's a little bookmark there. And another little journal card in the top pocket there. And this background design came from Scrimping Mummy. I do a lot of her things, love her videos. If you haven't touched base with her videos, I would absolutely recommend that you do. She's great fun to watch and listen to, and the stuff that she does is absolutely beautiful. And she does weekly challenges, and this was off one of the latest weekly challenge that she did, which was absolutely beautiful. And a couple of journaling pages. Again, all of these I designed myself. And then this is the centre of the journal. And this is what I was saying about not being sure about the brads, because under this, under these three little butterflies here, there are obviously the little pins that you fold back from the brads, and I thought it actually looked quite cumbersome and a little bit catchy on the fingers as well if you're very tactile. So I put the butterflies over the top, but I'm finding that they're quite difficult to stay stuck down. I've had to pin them back down a few times, so I'm not sure that's an ideal resolution or solution, but it works for the moment anyway. And then we've got another little side pocket there from one of the books I found with a journaling card and a little tag. And then that one's just fallen out. Another couple of little pockets, nice colourful little pockets with a couple of little tags. And I should have said they have got journaling space on the back naturally. And then just a little decorated page with the other side of the sweetie bag and another little journaling card inside. I actually put that on the wrong side. I should have put it on this side so it pulls out that way, but it serves its purpose in there. And then this is the other side of the envelope, which has got, again, it's two little pockets with a little tag there. And a little, I suppose you could use that as a bookmark or a tag, really. And another little pocket there with a few more little bits and pieces there. And then finally the little back pocket, which has got a rather cute little journaling card in there as well. That has actually got a little pocket there. I haven't found anything to go in that yet, but again, it is a work in progress, so hopefully that'll get finished at some point. And that's it. So that's my little butterfly journal. I hope you enjoyed walking through it with me. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and at least give me a thumbs up, and I'll look forward to seeing you all again. Take care, everybody.